I thought the pit was over there.
It is. I gotta do one lap with no brakes, just cooling it down.
One lap, no brakes?
Have you not noticed?
What do you mean no brakes?
We're only doing 50 miles an hour, nothing to freak out about.
This is tiny. This is tiny.
Let's go. I don't have time.
So who's instead of
Let's go.
What's happening? You can't even see my eyebrows. Wait, I don't have a helmet on.
Just put it on, dumb.
Do I have to wear this thing on my head?
Put it on.
Yours is bigger than mine. Can you help me rip it?
Close up.
Oh my god, I'm getting anxiety.
Shut the
I look like a noodle. Okay, can you just like give us like a little warning maybe?
Okay, so I got a camera pointed at me, so I'm not sure.
Do you want to do something?
Just drive?
Just drive.
Okay.
Yeah, you can talk to
All set?
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, don't go fast. Don't
So like, can you just tell us what's gonna happen?
He's gonna warm it up.
Okay.
So we're just gonna bring everything up to temp. So we're just gonna take one lap, nice and easy.
No.
Nice and easy.
No.
Okay, nice and easy. This is not nice and easy. I feel like you're
Okay,
Everything's
my body's.
Don't worry, just take it easy.
Take it easy.
oh,
Raven.
this sharp turn.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening.
I like the
yet.
north.
What we're gonna do next lap is we can a little bit more speed down here.
Okay.
We're gonna get onto those brakes right over here at the 2. We're gonna turn in nice and late. We'll bring it back in over to the left, nice and steady. We'll let the car track out.
Track out.
And we'll come all the way down nice and smooth.
Okay.
Again, we'll just lift off the gas. Touch those brakes, bring it back in over to the left.
Okay.
Go right. Okay.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna lift off the gas again. We'll get our braking done in a straight line.
Yep.
Straight line,
Nice
straight
and
line.
wide, forward, bring it
John
in
Raymond,
nice
this is
and
not
tight. And we'll just get everything up.
John Raymond, slow down. John Raymond.
Alright, so hold on.
Speed limit here.
Yeah.
Just gonna lift off the gas.
Okay.
Back to those brakes, nice and smooth. Wait for your turn in. Bring it back over to the right, nice and smooth.
Oh.
Now this is the tightest turn on the track, alright?
Okay, be careful then. Be careful then. Be careful.
Nice.
John Raymond. I thought that was the tightest turn back there.
That was. Okay, let's speed all the way down. Okay. Now we're gonna pick up the speed in just a minute, alright?
No, just a minute.
Just for a minute. Tell us how fast you're going as you're going, please.
Oh, I will. Once we pick
Okay,
up,
are we going?
still getting picked up. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. You guys ready?
No.
Alright, we'll go ahead and just get
Oh my God. John Raymond, please. I can't breathe. John Raymond. Oh no.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Wait for it. I'll bring it back.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no. I'm still
This time it's turning the 3, 2, 1.
John Raymond.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
How fast are you going?
No, that's not down.
Oh my god.
And we'll finish this lap up. We'll do a cool down. We'll wrap this whole thing up.
Yay!
We'll run for what?
Nice.
He's telling you to pass on the inside! He's telling you to pass on the inside! Okay.
I thought the pit was over there.
It is. I gotta do one lap with no brakes, just cooling it down.
One lap, no brakes.
Have you not noticed?
What do you mean no brakes?
We're only doing 50 miles an hour, nothing to freak out about.
I thought this was cool down.
It's cool down.
I hear the gas and I don't hear no brakes.
Let's just go! John Raymond! Okay, this is extreme!
And that was your Xtreme Xperience. Bye bye.
Get me out.
Give me some water.
That should be illegal.
Is there a speed limit out there?
Is that illegal? He doesn't brake.
He
There's-
said every turn was the fastest.
You just
Every turn is the fastest turn.
There's no break. There's no. You just